Hey y'all, it's your girl G and I'm back with another video. Today I made a strawberry cream crunch pound cake. It was so good and I'm going to show y'all how I made this. First I'm going to go in with about 5 eggs. Then I'm going to go in with 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. Next I'm going to pour in 1 cup of milk. Before moving on to our dry ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and give this a good mix. Now I'm going to stir in my dry ingredients, which is a combination of 3 cups of swan's cake flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2.5 cups of sugar, 1 package of instant vanilla pudding, and lastly 1 pack of strawberry jello. Now I'm going to add 1 package of 8-ounce Philadelphia cream cheese. Next, it's time to grease our pan. I'm going to go in with some olive oil and lightly grease the entire pan. To ensure that our cake doesn't stick, I'm going to take some swan's cake flour and lightly sprinkle it all over the pan and shake it around so that it is fully covered. Now we're going to proceed into pouring the entire cake batter in the pan, and be very careful that you don't fill the pan up all the way because you do not want the cake to overflow as it bakes. Next, we're going to place the cake into the oven on 300 degrees for about 1.5 hours. Now for our icing, we're going to add about half of Jet's marshmallow cream, which is about 4 ounces. And then we're going to add in 1 package of cream cheese. Next, I'm going to go on with my hand mixer and stir our icing up. Now y'all, my girl came out a little cracked, but it's okay. We're going to pretty her up with this icing. And don't really overthink just the creative icing part. Freestyle it, layer the icing all over the cake however you want to do it. I just simply like to just kind of get wild with it and make it look as pretty as possible. Next, I'm going to go in with some golden Oreos and just really layer it all over the cake. Like, again, don't overthink the crumble part. Just freestyle it and just make it your own creation. Next, I cut up some fresh strawberries and just layered them all over the cake and make them look really, really pretty. Here's the last part. It's not really that hard, y'all. Just kind of poked around the cake just so that I can insert some fresh strawberries for a nice little aesthetic touch, and just place the strawberries in that hole as our final touch. And boom, you have it, a beautiful strawberry crunch cream pound cake. It was so good. Show it at your next event or holiday and show them what you could do with this cake. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram on my personal page and at It's All G. See y'all next time.